Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to take your Figma skills to the next level by building advanced, customizable components, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up smart components in Figma 2025. Specifically, we'll make a button component where you can easily swap out icons, making your designs way more flexible and efficient. By the end, you'll be able to create sophisticated, interactive components that'll speed up your workflow and wow your team. All right, let's dive right in. For this tutorial, I've already got 3 different icons ready to go. If you're following along with your own project, just pick any icons you'd like, maybe a search, a plus, and a checkmark, for example. Having a few options will really help you see the power of swapping icons automatically in your button component. To start, let's build the base for our button. Head up to the Frame tool and draw out a rectangle. This rectangle is going to be the background of our button, so don't worry about getting it perfect just yet. You can always resize it later. Next, I recommend adding a corner radius. This gives your button those nice, rounded edges that are pretty much standard in modern UI. Think of it like giving your button a friendly, approachable look instead of those harsh, old-school corners. Now, let's give the button some meaning. Grab the text tool and click inside your frame, then just type out the word button. Feel free to style it however you like, maybe bump up the font weight or adjust the color so it stands out. This text will help anybody using your component know exactly what it's for. Here comes the fun part, making our icons easily swappable. First, select all 3 of your icons at once. With them all highlighted, right-click and choose Create Component Set. What this does is group your icons together in a way that Figma recognizes as a set of variants. Think of it as putting your icons in a menu that's hidden under the hood, which you'll be able to access from your button later. Don't worry if this feels a bit abstract. Once you see it in action, it'll totally click. Next, drag one of the icons, maybe the search icon, into your button frame, placing it wherever you want the icon to appear. Usually right next to the text works great. Now let's make our button smarter. Select just the icon and the button frame together, then right-click and select Create Component. This step merges them into a single, reusable button component. Here, where we unlock the real magic of Figma 2025. Click on that icon you just added to the button. Look up at the top in the Properties panel, there's a drop-down menu labeled with the icon set you made earlier. This is your key to swapping icons. Give it a try, open the drop-down, select a different icon, and watch as the button updates automatically. Isn't that awesome? You can swap between your available icons as many times as you like, and Figma will handle all the changes for you. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to the interface. Once you've done this a couple times, it becomes second nature. And there you have it. You've just built an advanced, flexible Figma button component that can swap icons in a flash. This technique isn't just for buttons. Think about using it for toggles, navigation menus, or anywhere else you want design consistency and quick customization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.